Welcome to my channel, Enthusiast Gardener. If you're a lover of exotic plants, you're in for a treat today. In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of growing papaya from seeds right in your own home. Growing your own papayas from seeds is not only a rewarding experience, but also a delightful journey that brings a taste of the tropics right into your home. Imagine plucking fresh papayas from your very own plant, knowing you nurtured it from seed to fruit. Let's dive into this adventure together. To start, you'll need some fresh papaya seeds. You can easily extract these from a ripe papaya. Simply cut the fruit in half, scoop out the seeds, and rinse them under running water to remove any fruit residue. After cleaning, spread the seeds on a paper towel and let them dry for about a week. This step is crucial as it helps to remove the outer husk, making germination easier. Did you know that it's possible to grow papaya from store-bought fruit? Start by selecting a ripe papaya from the store. It's important to choose a fruit that is fully ripened, as this will increase your chances of successfully growing a tree from its seeds. Ripe papayas are typically yellow or orange in color and have a sweet fragrance. Once you have your seeds, it's time for planting. Selecting medium-sized containers with drainage holes is crucial for promoting good airflow and preventing waterlogging in your papaya plants. In my professional experience, I have found that using terracotta containers is particularly beneficial for plant health. Terracotta containers have natural porosity, allowing excess moisture to evaporate more easily. When starting plants from seeds, always use quality seed starting mix. This will provide the necessary nutrients and moisture for germination and growth. Quality seed starting mix is specifically formulated to provide the right balance of nutrients, moisture retention, and aeration for young seedlings. Using a quality seed starting mix will ensure that your plants get off to a healthy start and have the best chance of thriving. It will help prevent issues such as damping off disease, where seedlings rot at the base, and provide a good foundation for strong root development. Fill containers with the seed starting mix, leaving some space at the top for planting the papaya seeds. It is crucial to ensure that the seed starting mix is well draining and nutrient rich to provide the best environment for the papaya seeds to germinate and grow into healthy plants. Investing in a quality seed starting mix is a smart choice for any gardener looking to achieve the best results. It may cost a bit more upfront, but the benefits of healthier, more vigorous plants will far outweigh the initial investment. So, always, make sure to use a quality seed starting mix for optimal results. Now let's plant our papaya seeds with care and precision. Taking your time to place 5 to 6 seeds on the surface of the soil in each container is crucial for ensuring the maximum growth potential of our papaya seedlings. It is important to give each seed ample space to thrive and develop into healthy papaya plants. This attention to detail will pay off in the long run, as it will set the foundation for strong and healthy papaya seedlings, which we will later transplant into single containers to give them plenty of room to thrive. Covering the papaya seeds with a thin layer of soil is crucial for their protection and to create an optimal environment for germination. This step is essential to ensure that the seeds remain moist and secure, allowing them to sprout successfully. It is important to strike a balance between providing adequate coverage for the seeds while also allowing space for watering to penetrate the soil and reach the roots. By following this careful process, you are giving the papaya seeds the best possible chance to grow into healthy plants. Gently moisten the soil, ensuring it's damp but not soggy. Place the containers in a warm, sunny spot to encourage germination. Papayas love sunlight, so find the sunniest location in your home or use grow lights for optimal growth. Keep in mind, papayas love moisture, so keep the soil consistently moist, watering every few days. By following these tips and providing a safe and nurturing environment for the papaya seeds to germinate, you can increase the chances of success and enjoy a bountiful harvest of delicious papayas in the future. Remember to be patient and consistent in your care, as growing plants from seed requires time and dedication. Within a few weeks, your papaya seeds will sprout and begin to grow into small seedlings. It is an exciting time as you watch your plants develop and thrive. As they continue to grow, they will eventually develop a couple of true leaves, which indicates that they are ready to be transplanted to larger, individual containers. Transplanting your papaya seedlings is an important step in their growth process, as they will need more space to spread out their roots and continue to grow into healthy, robust plants. By providing each seedling with its own container, you are ensuring that they have enough room to thrive and develop properly. And there you have it. You've created a mini tropical oasis in your own home. With a little care and attention, your papaya seedlings will grow into beautiful, fruit-bearing plants. Enjoy the journey. So, are you ready to bring the tropics indoors? Give growing your own papaya from seed a try. Share your journey with us in the comments below. We'd love to see your papaya progress. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow plant lovers.